In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to turn on or how to switch on your iPad. So this is very simple. All you have to do is look for the power button. If you look through the sides, you can see these two buttons. Those are the volume rockers. And here we have the power button. Okay, so it's right here when you're holding the iPad like this. Okay, just right above the cameras of your iPad. That's where the power button is. So all you have to do is long press on that power button until you see the Apple logo, and then you can release and allow the iPad to boot up. It's literally that simple. Now, if for some reason you keep pressing and holding that button and nothing happens, then your iPad might have run out of battery. So you might want to go ahead and connect your iPad to a power source using either Type-C or Lightning cable, depending on which iPad you have, obviously. So just connect it for a couple of moments, maybe give it even 20 to 30 minutes, and then try to power it on again. Now, if that's still not working, then you can try to kind of just spam the power button for a while, just keep pressing and releasing. And then after some time, just try and long press on that button and your iPad should turn on. Now, if your iPad doesn't turn on, then you should be probably watching another video on what to do in case your iPad does not turn on. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.